Want to hear a great injury recovery story? Welcome to Tee Live Fitness and Kinesiology. Here's a client from the Injury Recovery Program / Active Rehab ICBC Program that got her life back by healing her car accident injuries.
It was affecting my functional ability to do my daily tasks because I was in a bad car accident. Upper back, my left shoulder, and my lower back. And I couldn't stand on the bus for even 5 minutes. That's how much my back hurt. I couldn't put myself to sleep without sitting up straight. And I couldn't do house chores, and I couldn't really drive for a very long time. I was not able to jog. My injuries have improved significantly. I'm able to drive for longer periods of time. I just drove 7.5 hours on a road trip to Banff recently. I'm able to jog on the treadmill. I'm able to do my house chores again. I can sleep better. I can sit without thinking that it's going to hurt my back eventually at the end of the day. I recently went to the Grouse Grind, which is like a very steep hike, and I didn't have to worry about how hurtful it would be on my back. And in general, it feels pretty amazing that everything is not going to hurt at the end of every activity.
How great is that, to live again without pain? If you want to reach any of these goals, let's make it happen. We have home video programs and programs at our gym, online, and mobile. To get started,